Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class. Today I have come with a new chapter, that is living in space, and I guess this will be the last chapter of this examination. Alright, so as usual, before I start the chapter, I would like to write the name of the chapter. So the serial number of the chapter is 9 and the name of the chapter is living in space. Living in space. Okay, so this is the chapter that we are going to discuss today. So before I get into this chapter, I will have to let you know something about what space, what actually space is. All right, so the area beyond the limit of the earth, okay, the area beyond the limit of the atmosphere of the earth is called what? Space. This is what space is. Okay, the area beyond the limit of the atmosphere of the earth is called space. Okay, so now let's start the chapter. Astronauts living in space do many of the same things they do on the earth. They eat, sleep, work, wash and have fun, just as we do on the earth. Here the word astronaut means a person who travels in a spacecraft, So now here we see that astronauts, those who live in a space, they do the most of the things the way we do. For example, we can say they can eat, they can sleep, they can work, or they can have fun, okay, just like the way we do. Of course, they can't drive to the nearest video store to rent a movie or go outside and bike around the block. But apart from all these things, there are a few things that which they cannot do while they are in the space, and they are what? That they cannot go, they cannot rent a movie from from a video store, okay, or they cannot go out with a bike for a ride, okay. All these things they cannot do while they are in space. All right, okay, moving on. However, life in space is still a lot like life on the earth. Some things just have to be done differently. Although all we can say is that the life in space is quite similar to the earth, okay, quite similar. We can see that, but there are some things which they have to be done different way, okay. There are some things needs to be done in different way. All right, astronauts have to be careful while eating in the space shuttle, okay. Here the word space shuttle means a vehicle in which people travel into space and back again, okay. Space shuttle means what? A vehicle through which people travel into space and back again from there. So while they are in space, they have to be very careful while because their food may go away, may swim away. So before, they have to be very careful while eating any kind of food. Sticky foods are best and crumbly food isn't good, isn't sent to space. Here the word sticky foods, what are sticky foods here? Here you see foods like gummy bears, jelly beans, chewing gums, all these are what? These are sticky foods. And what are crumbly foods? Here we see any foods, any kind of food that can be break easily. For instance, I can say that biscuits, nuts, these are what? These are crumbly food. So can you imagine crumbs floating around in the shuttle? It would be like being in the dust storm all the time. So here you see crumbs means a very small dry piece of bread, cake or biscuit. A crumbs means a very small dry piece of what? A cake, or it can be a bread, anything. This is simply called as what? Crumbs. So you just imagine, it would be like there is a sandstorm. Simply we can say that storm in the shuttle. many foods have the water removed called dehydration, so that they boil less and take up less room. So many foods they carries that they are waterless food, or simply we can say that they are waterless, so that the weight of the foods remain what, less. Okay, and before eating, the astronauts add water and squish the food and water around in a plastic bag, so it is not too dry to eat. Here the word squish means to make the sound that is made when something is weight is pressed. Something weight is pressed. So the thing what they do while eating to make the food interesting, sometimes they often they use water from the bag. Okay, they use some water, otherwise they will not they will feel that the food is dry. So to make it tasty, they use some water. Astronauts can add hot water for hot food. Also astronauts can add some hot water for hot food. Besides, but there is no refrigerator on the shuttle, so no cold drinks. Apart from all these things, we see that there is no refrigerator. Refrigerator in a sense that, for example, a cooler, we can say that, ice cream box, we can say that. Okay, etc. These are the things are not available. Okay, in the shuttle. All right. So as a result, they cannot enjoy the cold drinks. Cold drinks means, for example, there are many kinds of cold drinks we see. Okay, for example, Sprite, Fizz, okay, Coca-Cola. These are all cold drinks. So they do not enjoy all these things in the shuttle while they are in the space. But on the other hand, we do enjoy all these things when on the Earth. Okay. Now moving on to the next paragraph, that is sleeping is an adventure too. But while sleeping in space, it is quite fun. They feel they enjoy themselves while sleeping in the space. Okay, some astronauts like to float free in the shuttle to sleep, gently bouncing off a wall once in a while. In space, you see, astronauts attach their sleeping bag to a wall or a ceiling and sleep anywhere as long as they don't float around and bump into something. In space, what do they do? What do astronauts do? They attach their sleeping bag to a wall or a ceiling and sleep anywhere anywhere as long as they don't float around and bump into something. All right, anywhere they can sleep as long as they float around and bump into something. All right. Other astronauts sleep better if they are zipped into a sleeping bag. They feels more like sleeping in a bed on the Earth. On the other side, some astronauts they keep themselves in the sleeping bag. Okay, and they feel like what? They feel like they are just sleeping on the Earth. They feel like they are just sleeping. They are just like sleeping on the Earth. All right. There is even a little pillow they can fasten to their hands with a strap. There also we see a pillow in the shuttle, so they can fix it. They can fix it to their head with a belt. They can fix that pillow in their heads with a belt while sleeping. Okay, now moving on to the next paragraph. There we see staying clean is harder in space too. Okay, so here we see staying when it comes to clean oneself in the shuttle. So we see that it becomes very difficult for them. Okay, it becomes very difficult for them to keep themselves clean in the shuttle. So here we see because you see there is no shower or bathtub or on the shuttle. So the astronauts have to take sponge bath. Okay, here the word bathtub means anywhere a container, small or big container for holding water, so that one can take a bath in the bathtub. So A sponge bath, so they cannot bath daily because these things are not available. This bathtub or shower not available in the shuttle. So as a result, they are unable to. It becomes difficult for them. It becomes difficult for the astronauts to keep themselves clean. All right. So, but they have to find a way. They have to keep themselves clean. All right. So, how to keep themselves? How do astronauts keep themselves clean? Now we shall get there. They take a sponge bath. A sponge bath means a bath in which someone or something is not placed in water but is cleaned with a wet cloth. That a sponge bath is what? Somebody or someone, he or she, he does not keep herself fully in the water. Instead, what does he do? Instead, he just clean his whole body with a wet cloth. This is simply called as what? Sponge bath. Sponge baths. They can brush their teeth the regular way. They have to but they have to be very careful. Toothpaste, gloves don't drift away. But some people brush their teeth twice in a day, while other brush their teeth once in a day. All right, once in a day. But they also can brush their teeth while they are in space. But while brushing their teeth, they have to be very sure. They have to be very careful that their brush don't drift away, don't go away. Okay, don't forgo. Okay, all the trash and garbage has to be put in bags and brought back to the earth. Okay, so now you see whatever things they use, whatever garbage will come out, they have to keep all the trash and garbage in the bag. So afterwards, whenever they will come back to the earth, they have to bring all these things along with them. Okay, they have to bring all those garbages and all and trash. They have to bring along with them. All right. So now going to the bathroom is easy though. Now we have seen that going to the bathroom is easy in the shuttle. Okay, so here you see how is it easy. You see the toilet in the shuttle just uses airflow to carry waste away from the astronaut's body. There is a through air. We can relieve the astronauts can relieve themselves through air. So as it has been said that going to the bathroom is easy because the toilet in the shuttle uses airflow to carry from the waste from the astronaut's body. Through air, they can bring out all the wasted things from our body, from the astronaut's body. All right. One of the most important things astronaut must do every day in space is exercise. One of the most important thing is what? In space is what? One of the most important things is to keep oneself fit. To keep oneself fit, what should we do, or what should the astronaut do? Astronaut should keep on exercising. Okay, astronaut should keep on exercising each and every day. So they have to exercise each and every day. Without gravity, the human body starts to lose and bone tissue. Here we see what do you mean by gravity. Gravity is what you see. Gravity is what keeps you on the ground. What keeps you on the ground? You see, I am here and taking your class. Okay, I don't have any problem standing in front of you. Okay, might be you are just sitting. You are sitting on the chair. Okay, because of what? Because of gravity. Okay, that keeps us on the ground, and that cause what cause objects to fall. Okay, what cause objects to fall down. All right. So without gravity, the human body starts becoming weak. Okay, all right. So this is the reason why the astronaut must do exercise each and every day to keep their body strong. Astronauts exercise using a treadmill or a rowing machine. Here the word treadmill means it is an exercise machine where one can run, one can run or one can walk to keep himself fit. Okay, one can run. So as a result, here also in the same way, astronauts also do the same thing. Astronauts also do the same thing. To keep their body strong, they use a treadmill. Okay, they use their treadmill in the shuttle. So this is the end of the chapter. I hope there will be no problem at all for you. I hope you guys have understood. But still, if there is any problem, any sort of problem, please please ask me in the comment box given below. Okay, till then, be happy, study well, and don't trouble your mother and father. Okay, bye everyone. Have a good day. Thank you once again.